In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the check availability button in WP Travel Engine, an essential skill for anyone looking to customize their travel website's appearance. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. If you're new to WordPress, the dashboard is where the magic happens. It's where you'll control and customize your website's content and settings. Make sure you've got your username and password handy, and once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Next, we're going to navigate to the Appearance section. From there, locate the Theme File Editor. This area of WordPress allows you to directly edit the theme files, providing more control over your website's functionality and appearance. However, a word of caution, mistakes here can have significant effects, so it's generally recommended to use a child theme to make modifications. Alternatively, you can use a code editor if you're more comfortable working offline. After accessing the theme file editor, you'll want to search for the file that manages the trip booking section. Typically, this will be named content-singletrip.php. This particular file is where the check availability button text is located and where we'll focus our changes. Once you've navigated to the right file, it's crucial to locate the exact spot where the button text resides. You can easily do this by using the search function. Just press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. This will open a small search bar where you can type in the text you wish to find, in this case, check availability. After locating the appropriate section, you can replace the button text. This involves editing the specific line of code that contains the button properties. Here, you'll update the text inside the button tag to your desired label. For this example, let's replace check availability with book now. Simply remove the existing text between the button tags and add your preferred text. This small change can make a big difference in how your call to action resonates with your audience. With the new text in place, you'll want to make sure your changes are saved. In the theme file editor, this will mean clicking on the Update File button. If you're using an external editor, remember to save your changes there as well. Once the file is updated, head back over to your trip page and refresh it to view the changes. The button should now display your newly edited text. If all goes well, you'll see your updated button front and center, adding a personalized touch to your site. This simple adjustment improves user experience and makes your site feel more tailored and engaging. Keep experimenting with these kinds of customizations to fine-tune your website and better serve your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy editing.